too much bone meal, I think. Okay, I'll tell you about these beans. When you get these big old ones, they're starting to turn color. Those ones might be good ones to collect the seed from. So I put those in a pile. And then I have some of the other fairly big ones, but they're still nice and green. They might be good. They might be almost ready for, you can see the bumps in them. They might already just about be good as beans for next year, but I might just keep that one aside. But if I can get a nice one that's not too bumpy, that can still be good for freezing. So then we'll chop them up a little bit and put them into, we'll blanch them, and then we'll put them into the freezer and just freeze bags of them. And these ones are a little bit more mature. They're not quite old, you know, variety. They're kind of just mature. Excellent for freezing and for stews and that sort of thing. And then we pick out all these nice young ones, the ones that are just sort of that perfect stage, and we're having those for Thanksgiving dinner today, so it's going to be awesome. So these nice little ones are still nice and sweet, really good. Eat them right off the vine. Really good. So just remember, you keep picking the beans, they keep producing. If you don't keep picking them, they kind of slow down and they don't want to produce. So if I keep keeping them off the vines, then you just get tons. This is probably our 15th harvest, and we could do another 2 or 3 yet before the season's out. They just go until they get frosted, and that's it. But the carrots are looking great. We did a couple different varieties this year, and they're all hit and miss. Some are humongous, some are medium, some are small. So the small ones are kind of nice because they're nice and sweet and ready to go. And some of the big monster ones, they're surprisingly sweet as well. We've chopped some of those up and roasted them. They were just delicious. So always fresh cooked homegrown vegetables, that's the way to go. All right, so that's it for today. Thanks very much for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and a fabulous fall.